continuously, and the battery signal is turned on. Now we're going to take the charger. Now, for all countries, just take the plug and place it inside the charger this way. You can see that it's plugged in. And if you are in EU countries, you're going to take the network or the grid side of the plug and place the adapter inside. See that the adapter has a bigger side and a small side, and also the plug has smaller side and a bigger side. Just put it as it should be, and on this side we have the plug inlet. Just release the cover. Here is the plug. I'm going to just place the plug of the wall charger inside the robot. Here. And then connect it to the grid, to the power line at the wood. And now it gets charged, and after the charging has ended, we can use the robot. You can see here the charger, lights green, and the robot also lights green, and it's being charged right now.